we talk all about a lot about what struggling traders do. One of the hardest parts of trading, I was just speaking to a trader on a private message on the chat about this as well, is dealing with the emotional roller coaster that comes with trading. We had a little bit of a better entry on the range bar chart, but I'll walk you through on here. So just put yourself in this position in real life, right? We came, where's that stop loss at? The stop loss was right up at 134.24. So let's mark that here real quick. 134.24. Might have been a little bit different on here due to the ATR, but we'll mark that down. Let's say you enter at the lower low, lower close here. This is what we spoke about again. The range bar chart gave us a little bit of a better entry right there. But you entered, you immediately went down into profit, up 13 pips. You immediately went back into a loss of about 19 pips. You went back down into profit. You went back up into loss. You went back down to break even. You went back up into loss. You went back down into profit. You went back up into break evenness, right? And then you came back down here. What an emotional ride. And in order to be a successful trader, this is hard. This is one of the hardest part about being a trend trader. This is why I wasn't necessarily built for trend trading at the time, is you have to deal with that emotional roller coaster. And each time the market swings one way or the other, right? Each time you go down and you see it start to swing up, what do you think you're going to want to do? This is where fear comes into play. Oh my gosh, I was up and the market's going to move against me. I should just exit and take some profit, right? Then it goes into loss and you're upset, you're angry. And that loss goes back down into a little bit of profit. And you're like, oh my gosh, I was losing before and I felt real angry. Now I'm back in profit. Can't go broke taking profits. I should just get out while I can, right? Because any type of profit's better than a loss, right? And then you do that again. You're like, no, I'm going to stay with it. I'm going to stay with it. Okay, good. I'm glad I stayed with it. No, I can't believe I stayed with it. I knew I should have got out because now I'm back in loss and now I went into profit twice. Fool me twice. Shame on me, right? And you have to deal with all of this until you eventually reach there. And we spoke about this yesterday where we said the market is the job of the market, right? If you were applying to a job to be the market, in the job description, it would say the market's job is to inflict as much pain on as many people as possible. That is its job. So the market is kicking your butt here, 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 and even kicking your butt this morning when I first looked at this, where it was trading right here, a stinking pip above profit.